Welcome to KWAG Family Sunday Abstracts at Home. This series of videos teaches you techniques for making your own abstract creations, inspired by paintings in By Your Own Stars, an exhibition of works from KWAG's permanent collection. In this Abstracts at Home video, we take inspiration from Acchroche-Toi by Michel-Thomas Tremblay to create a textured abstract painting. Here's what you'll need to follow along. A piece of cardstock or a canvas panel, scrap tissue paper, white glue, acrylic or craft paint, and paintbrushes. Cover your entire painting surface with white glue and smooth out with a paintbrush. Apply torn pieces of tissue paper onto the glue-covered surface, creating a wrinkly texture that will be the base for your painting. With extra white glue in a dish and a paintbrush, lightly flatten the tissue paper folds and stick down the edges. Then, let it dry. Using white, or a light color, paint over the surface of the painting, deciding which areas to leave showing through, and then let it dry again. Now, with a 3 or 4 color palette, create an abstract composition on your textured surface. Your color scheme can express a mood or emotion, or relate to something realistic, like a season or a landscape. Let your shapes and forms respond to the lines created by the wrinkles in the paper. Experiment with different ways of applying the paint. Thick or thin marks, heavy strokes that fill in the cracks, or light strokes that apply paint to just the top edges. Lines with the corner of the brush, or dabs with the tips of the bristles. Remember, this is your abstract painting. It can look any way that you want it to. When you're finished, trim off the extra paper around the edges, and your textured abstract painting is complete. You can create multiple abstract paintings using this texture building technique. Experiment with various color schemes and different types of marks, lines, and shapes. Thank you for watching. Look out for more Abstracts at Home videos, including one inspired by this painting, Enlightenment by Joseph Drappel.